All right, so what I'm going to do here is, well, I'm going to start working on the case mod. So again, want to thank, MSI, AMD, and Fractal for all their support, and especially Fractal, since they're the ones that really kind of help initiate this whole little fun project that we're doing. It's kind of a mod off between me and Ron Lee Christian. You've seen his stuff. I mean, it's absolutely fabulous, fabulous work. But we're going to do something a little different. I think, we're going to try not spend a whole lot of money. It's mostly about just how we're going to take this and change it. We're not going to be like super, super creative or super, super, spectacular work. We're going to try and keep it somewhat simple, and just keep in with the theme is basically about, because it's going to be released all on the May the 4th. So you probably just guess what it's going to be about. So I get something to do, something about the light side. And Lee, who's like a super nice guy, super, super nice guy, makes me, looks like the devil probably. Super nice guy. He's going to be doing the dark side. So kind of complete opposites, I guess you can say. It's going to be fun doing this. Short amount of time though. We've got just a few weeks to try and get these all done. Because of course we have to get it, just like any other show, you have to get it done before production stuff is done and things are released to the public. But you can watch me. As you can see, it's doing it this way. Most of the time, you're probably going to see what I call the master setup. You're going to be seeing from the left. You're going to be able to see it from the right side and also from the top. So you'll be able to see basically everything that I'm doing. Skip through what you want to see to see what you don't want to see. I mean, it's totally up to you. Hope you have a good time watching. Like I said, skip around, do whatever you want. But at least have an idea of what it goes through making these and how much fun it can be. So have a good time. I know I will. And I'm going to jump into this thing because I've got to get this thing kicked out really quick.